Hi, my name is Parikshit and this is Hey Karish Season 2 finale episode.
Oh, thanks, love. You're the best.
यार भाई बहुत बढ़िया. This is the only podcast जहाँ पे लोग खाना ऑफर करते हैं भाई. Oh my god, this is so interesting. This is a game we should play on radio. It's very hard. Sorry. I just clicked on some private pictures.
I'll slap your face.
You know how our social media is, right? This is our job. We show people what we want them to see.
It's not the whole story.
It's not the whole story.
Never. Hello and welcome. It's season finale episode time. And today I have a big smile plastered across my face for a very special reason. So we've done 2 seasons of Hey Karish, and every episode we'll get so many heartfelt messages about how the episodes made someone feel. And then I'll get all these messages on my Instagram from people saying, when are you bringing Parikshit? So I was trying to avoid this episode for the longest time. But that laugh has introduced the man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet my very underdressed finale guest. What is this?
Hey Karish. Hey
Parikshit.
Karish. Hey Karish. Sorry. Yeah.
Why have you got a tissue on your t-shirt? Please don't hide now. You please show how you have come to my finale episode.
Yeah, there was no dress code, na, so I just dressed up. This is
You
me dressing
dressed
up.
Can we do a cut to a wide shot of the two of us? Look at that. I look like Mother India and you look like the son I rejected.
Karish, pata hai kya? That's our show also. Same personality on the show, more class, more rowdy behavior.
Why would you wear a t-shirt like this? First of all, you've come 1 hour late.
I'm sorry.
Then you've wasted 5 of my tissues now. And what is this? Why your clothes torn?
पता है ऐसा लग रहा है सुबह 6 बजे रहे मेरे को ये फिर शो पे सुना रही है. Same feeling, same feeling है ये. देख, Karishma, my eyes are up here.
Listen, I'll have you know we have mosquitoes.
तो अगर मैं मलेरिया से मरा यहाँ पे तो you know it's Hey Karish finale episode season 2.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
Thank you so very much.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm looking forward to this. Actually watching this episode as well. I don't know what's going to happen, but yes. Finally a pleasure.
This is the only
here.
time I'm going to high five or shake hands with you. You calm down.
There are a lot of internal jokes that are going to happen. There are a lot of this extra laughter that is going to happen because this is us now.
Yeah.
This is
so
us.
Pretty much every episode on Hey Karish where I have brought somebody who's connected to radio, it's ended up where I've talked about you, talked about the fact that we do a show together. And I'm very confident that today as well, there'll be a lot of that, but there's going to be a whole lot more because the idea on this podcast is to discover the personality that we have. And, you know, while you've been on other podcasts and while you've been on air for 1,000,000 years, there are sides to you that are just, you know, so special and so beautiful, and you would keep them hidden from the world. You know, today,
ये बात पे ताली बनती है.
today we're gonna talk about those. All right. Now, of course, Pari and me Karishma. So Parikshit and me Karishma, we together host the breakfast show on City 1016, and we've only been doing this now for like 2 years. We're coming up on 2 years.
Correct.
During which time we've had, I think, such a whirlwind of life-changing events happening around us. You know, I have met Chandran at the same time, got married around the same time. You've lost mum at the same time in these years, you know. So it's been up and down and everything in between as well.
Yeah.
And, you know, I'm pregnant now. I'm hoping that Toshita and you are going to give us, you know, some...
मैं 1 घंटा लेट इसलिए तो आया था.
Please tell me ये t-shirt Toshita ने ही फाड़ी है.
हाँ बस. You should see the other guy.
No!
अरे मतलब ऐसे नहीं है.
All right, fantastic. Now, first of all, Pari, how long have you done radio for?
Yeah, I started in 2006. 2005 I completed, 2006 I completed my school. और 2006 में school pass out करते ही I joined radio.
You know, you remind me a lot of my brother because he was also somebody who never followed any rules. You know, he did whatever he wanted to do.
Correct.
And even today, he's on that same Agnipath.
वो भी गालियां तो खाते ही है ना इससे.
हाँ, same.
I feel the same.
So you actually, I understand. I don't have so many question marks about you. You know, like I get you. But you have a completely different start to your life than most people know. You know, let's talk about that. Let's talk about Jodhpur. Let's talk about what you remember as your earliest days.
You know, half of the things मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि जो भी आपके adulthood में जो भी आप चीज़ें करते हो, that all comes from your childhood. चाहे वो good memories हो, core memories हो या trauma हो. So my main thing was कि I had, like my dad had a lot of, like, you know, we had like well-to-do family. And then, you know, we had like cars and whatever. Like whatever you say in those early days in the 90s, a well-to-do family had, we had. And then we lost all of it all of a sudden. You know all of this. So it's like kind of... So I don't know. वापस से शुरू से बताओ.
Yeah, because it's today you're talking to you know a few people that do follow us on YouTube and Instagram. So
a lot of people do. Well done on that as well.
Thank you.
Season 3, more power to you. So yeah.
Thank you.
But then I lost all of it all of a sudden overnight. You know, I lost my dad. All the money we had, all the companies we had. So उस समय realize हुआ कि पैसा बचाने से कुछ नहीं होता. अगर है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है. So value of money, of saving money, I never had that. You know, I still don't save money. Then I got married and wife. Life में now I started saving a little bit more. But that value and concept of saving money, that first trauma that hit me, I don't have that concept anymore of saving money. मैं उड़ाता बहुत हूँ. And then, you know, there've been times where I had to pay my own school fees by working. I was working till I was 11. मैं Reliance के handset बेचता था 500 रुपए वाले. मैं Tata Indicom में इंटरनेट बेचता था. उस समय CDMA phones जब आते थे. I've worked in a call center also. And then 12th के बाद में I told my mom at that time कि मेरे को ना Symbiosis जाना है पुणे पढ़ने के लिए. मेरे सारे दोस्त जा रहे हैं. She said नहीं, पैसे नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा जब पैसे नहीं है तो पढ़ के मतलब क्या ही हो जाएगा. Either I study in Jodhpur or I go to Symbiosis to study, right? और मेरे को Symbiosis पढ़ने नहीं जाना था. I genuinely wanted to just go there and enjoy myself, you know. So that didn't happen. So I was like, okay, I'll start working. And of course, I've been working all this while. I wanted to work full time. उस समय फिर एक न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर एक ऐड आया कि जोधपुर का पहला प्राइवेट FM रेडियो स्टेशन इज गोना लॉन्च. इट वाज माय FM, दैनिक भास्कर का. एंड बचपन से मेरी एक आदत थी कि मैं न्यूज़पेपर बहुत पढ़ता था चाय पीते पीते. चाय आज भी पीता हूँ और न्यूज़पेपर तू देखती होगी आज भी शो पे.
सेम.
आई लव लाइक यू एंड आई लव इन्फॉर्मिंग माई सेल्फ. आई लव यू नो लाइक अपडेटिंग माई सेल्फ ऑन व्हाट्स द लेटेस्ट. तो मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते पढ़ते देखा अच्छा नया माई FM का एक ऐड आया. लाइक आई जॉइन, आई एटलीस्ट गिव द ऑडिशन. मैं कहा चलो ठीक है देखते हैं. देन आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज वर्किंग. देन माई फ्रेंड कॉल मी सेइंग कि तू आ रहा है क्या. मैंने कहा नहीं भाई मैं कुछ काम वाम निपटा रहा हूँ. कहता नहीं आ जा, बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ आई हुई. ठीक है चल आ रहा हूँ. आई वेंट देयर and then there were about 6,000 to 7,000 people and I got selected. The only guy who got selected in that audition was me. And then my first FM on air I went I think on 2006 April. 2005 when the auditions happened, then we had a training in Jaipur. That radio training days were the best. And a lot of people here in the UAE were in that batch as well on other radio stations. And that was probably the best introduction to radio.
Yeah.
You know, that just clears your basics a lot. आजकल बहुत सारे jocks को लगता है कि उन्हें बहुत कुछ आता है, but then you realize कि जो हमारी workshops हुआ करती थी उस time पे, they were so difficult and so different and so interesting that, you know, it was like a military workshop.
It's been a very different journey for you and for a lot of others actually that have come from India.
Correct.
I have had a different journey because I actually went in to do just, you know, we had these college radio championships in Bombay.
Correct.
That Go FM had launched.
Correct.
So 2005, 2004, I won both years back to back and I got selected to go and host my own show on Go 92.5 in Bombay.
Right.
And it was the coolest thing that had happened to us, you know,
Right, absolutely.
Being able to do your own show.
Absolutely.
And they trained us and they talked to us about how to do, how to think, how to write, what's a link, those kind of conversations, you know. And I feel like I never imagined this. I never imagined a career in radio.
Absolutely.
Did you?
मेरे को तो पहली बार जब मेरा ऑडिशन हुआ था मुझे तो बहुत ही रैंडम सवाल पूछे थे बिकॉज दे वर लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब फॉर द आफ्टरनून शो एंड आई वाज लाइक आई वाज 16, राइट? So at that time, they were looking for a young personality. So they asked me very young questions. They were looking for a guy who would not have that Jodhpur mentality. I mean, there's no like hota na yaar ke.
What is this Jodhpur mentality?
Not a joke. It's a small town mentality. Is what I say. Small town mentality means, of course, yeah, like exposure to. My first question was: the girlfriend is with you in the cinema hall, and she doesn't want to kiss you. And people would be like, "What? आप क्या बात कर रहे हो?" You know that they were looking for a young audience to capture. So my first show was called Masti Ki Pathshala.
Nice.
2 to 5 p.m. and I was selected for that. So मेरे को पहला जब बातचीत हुआ मैंने audition दिया. I was being myself. I don't know what I was at that time. Of course, we've evolved, since then. तो मुझे जो पहली बार बोला कि तेरी सैलरी होगी 6,000 रुपए. मैंने कहा क्या बात कर रहे हो? रेडियो पे बात करने के 6,000 रुपए दोगे आप मुझे?
How old were you then?
16.
Wow.
So I got 6,000 rupees. CTC मारते थे उस टाइम पे.
What is that?
कुछ हुआ करता था ना यार, काट कुटा के.
अच्छा हाँ, वो जो सैलरी में कटिंग होके आता था.
तो 6,000 rupees in hand थे मेरे. मैंने कहा बहुत बढ़िया, done. I don't mind at all. And then I did my Jodhpur radio. Then I left that radio. वो भी मैं लड़ाई करके छोड़ दिया था. मैं बहुत गर्म खून था यार उस टाइम पे, बहुत गर्म खून था मैं.
I definitely want to talk about your journey as a radio presenter and a radio professional, and you're an events host today, and you do killer stuff, and no matter what you do, you disrupt expectations and you take it to the next level, and this is like hands down no one does it like you.
और एक बात बोलूं,
you know this.
एक बात बोलूं,
हाँ.
ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना, ये तूने मुझे बहुत टाइम पहले दिया था. I'll tell you when. Here's a funny part, okay? Here's a sign. Day before yesterday, I was hosting a wedding जहाँ पे राजपाल यादव थे. And I told him about this interview that I did. So I did an interview with Rajpal Yadav, and ऐसे एक Zoom call था. He was doing a film in peak COVID times. I did that. Nobody watched that interview. Nobody was interested in that. Karishma called me up and said, अगर कोई राजपाल यादव का इतना interesting interview कर सकता है, I don't care if your boss is watching it. I don't care if the team members are watching it. It is you.
Really?
I will never forget that call.
I have forgotten that call.
I know, I will not. You called me and said, Parikshit, and this time we were not doing a show together.
Yeah.
Peak COVID time. You called me up and said, अगर कोई राजपाल यादव का भी इतना interesting interview कर सकता है, because I was kind of like, कि यार मुझे, I want to do this interview, but nobody's I was in a zone.
But you never do mundane. I think that was the thing I would have noticed there, and that was what I wanted to tell you. And it's still true about you, is you don't do the mundane, you don't do the done to death, the lowest hanging fruit are not your scene. You want to aim for higher. Sometimes you do make things difficult for yourself.
Myself, agree.
Yeah,
Agree.
but it's not necessarily. I think it's a wonderful thing that you're always raising the bar. It's not always easy to do that and to be successful also. Sometimes people do the easier things and get success, and you do the harder one and you sitting around and waiting. But you know what? Today I also want to talk about, in addition to your radio life, Pari, I want to talk about, your interest in photography, your interest in reading. Like one of the first things I recognized about you when you joined City 1016 was that you're a very knowledgeable person, but you pretend to be, roadside or whatever. I don't know why. Maybe to fit in with your friends. I don't know what it is. But
describe my friends.
I just did.
No, yeah.
But you do have a side of you that can actually wake up. You could tomorrow join the stock broker business, and you'll know exactly what you're investing in. Or you could decide to start a sneaker showroom and you'd know exactly which pieces you want to sell. So you have a variety of topics that you've got under your belt, very well covered. Tell me what got you started off on your sneaker collection.
Yeah, I want to bring it back to where you started from.
हाँ.
जो तूने मुझे बोला कि I'd pretend, which is very, very, now I'm getting very emotional talking to you about this, because ये कहीं आपको नहीं मिलेगा. I don't put this on social media, right? Because this is only someone who's as close to you as a co-host, and literally husband-wife type of relationship हो जाता है co-host का. I'm a self-taught guy in everything, right? Because बचपन में जब my dad passed away, I had no one else to tell me what to do, right? यहाँ तक कि दाढ़ी करना. So मेरा एक habit सा बन गया कि I want to learn everything.
Yeah.
Like when I went to the bank for the first time, मेरी मम्मी ने जब काम से भेजा था, I didn't even know, where is the reception of the bank. So I had to learn everything. So I'm constantly in that zone जहाँ पे मुझे, if you open my YouTube, it's everything entertainment भूल जाओ, मेरा कोई entertainment नहीं है. It's everything learning. Like I have a zone. If I'm into sneakers, my YouTube history will be full of sneakers. If I'm into photography, I'm a self-taught photographer. Lightroom, Photoshop, everything in cameras. I've learned everything from YouTube. And then I keep practicing it when I travel, right? And then a zone will come jahan pe I'm now into crypto. Now a zone will come where I want to buy a real estate, invest in a real estate. So my YouTube history, my wife tells me, my YouTube history changes every 3 months. I'm obsessed with the topic and I want to learn everything about that topic. There was a time where I was obsessed with airplanes. And this is because our job requires us to, not only job, हम लोग को कहीं ना कहीं updated रहना चाहिए. मुझसे जो मिलता है, मैं उससे वैसा बन के बात करता हूँ. For example, if there's a pilot, I'll have a deep conversation about Chandran Jiju. So my first question was, which is your favorite aircraft? Or, which I like doing.
Yeah. I remember our previous boss, Fiona, is heavily into interiors and very often you'd sit down and discuss interiors and, architectural digest with her. And,
absolutely. मेरे घर का interior मैंने किया है, but I don't tell that to anyone, right?
Yeah, and it's beautiful. Your home is beautiful. I love that aeroplane clock, bookshelf, whatever that is that you have. I remember when we used to do meetings on Zoom during COVID.
Correct. That was my background.
And you have a good eye for detail. You have a good sense of not to keep things ordinary. I'm very different from you in a lot of ways. I like what you do, but I won't do it. It's like that. I like the clothes you wear. I like that you have a sense for fashion, that you spend money on your clothes. The amount of money you spend. I would never spend that much money on my clothes.
And this is a new zone that I'm in. Correct.
So that's part of the many different seasons that you go through.
Yeah.
So when did the love for high fashion start?
यार there was a time, याद है तेरे को हम लोग कुछ देर पहले बात कर रहे थे कि हम लोग मूवी नाइट्स पे जाया करते थे, हमारे सारे कपड़े स्प्लैश के हुआ करते थे. And then at that time I used to wear for my thinking was like, why would I spend this much on clothes?
Yeah.
Right, I would rather travel.
Yeah.
Now that I've traveled, I've collected sneakers. Now I'm done with sneakers. Yeah. Now I want to buy high-end fashion clothes. Okay. Also because I've lost weight. Now I can pull it off.
Yeah.
I mean, पहले भी मैं ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनता था.
Yeah.
But they were like now I buy more. I buy expensive clothes. Also what happened was when I lost weight, मेरे पास अभी सब size के कपड़े. मेरे पास XL है, XXL है, large है, medium है. So when I can afford it.
Yeah.
I want to buy it.
Give me some of your XXL for my maternity. The ones you're not using, I'll need for the next 9 months.
सारे वो splash वाले रख ले.
I don't mind. Acha, listen, you need to also talk to me about the fact that if you, you say you've done how many countries now?
106.
How many pairs of sneakers now?
नहीं, वो नहीं मालूम. वो actually, I don't count. I genuinely don't count.
Why?
पता नहीं.
नजर लग जाएगी.
Nazar is real. Nazar is real.
You're so silly,
Nazar is real.
You're all over Instagram. What Nazar is real?
Yeah, actually I didn't count.
What is a passion of yours that is not on social media, that you have not brought out in front of the world? Country, traveling, sneakerhead.
Perfumes is one that not a lot of people know. I love, how much I love perfumes.
Yeah.
I collect a lot of perfumes.
Yeah.
I cook.
Yeah. Oh, you cook?
I cook.
This I did not know.
कुछ तो अपने लिए ना.
And Are you serious?
Yeah, even in travel, Karish, I have so many stories that I'll only tell people. It won't be on social media. There are a lot of pictures that I have. A lot of things that I do that not a lot of people would know. You know how our social media is, right? This is our job.
Yeah.
We show people what we want them to see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
It's not the whole story.
It's not the whole story.
Never. Yeah,
it's
it never is.
Story.
Yeah.
So that's what my Instagram is. Like, जितने भी podcast पे मैं गया हूँ, it has always been that question, sneakers, travel.
Yeah.
Because that's literally my Instagram.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people know me personally, right?
Yeah.
You know me personally. That's why I'm very excited to be here. It's a thing where खाना मैं पकाया कभी.
Listen, I don't know this cooking business about you. Yeah. What do you cook? When was the last time you cooked?
I make off and on.
You make Rajasthani food or you make international cuisine? What do you do?
I don't make full-fledged cuisines. I make good chicken. Lal mas bhi nahi. Chicken tikka, kabhi sandwiches बहुत ज़्यादा बनाता हूँ मैं.
No way.
Yeah, I make a lot of sandwiches. I love bread. मेरी भी कमजोरी sandwiches ही है. Make sandwiches, chai to of course. Chai to.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm home,
I
feel like okay, I've make something today. Not full-fledged. मैं अगर वो कर दिया मेरी बीवी घर से निकाल देगी.
क्यों? Mess. You're
हाँ,
messy.
mess का problem है.
Yeah.
I'm very messy.
You are.
Mess का.
Yeah, he'll make 1 cup of chai in the morning. There'll be sugar, water, milk,
Correct, that's me.
tissues.
That's me. Yeah, मैं mess बहुत करता हूँ. मुझे चीजें बहुत चाहिए.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, so by the way, when you mentioned perfumes, I was reminded of something. Which is so endearing about you, A few years ago, we were at a photo shoot and we were wearing these, some designer had brought their clothes or something.
How do you even remember that?
I remember. Listen. This is embarrassing for me only, but I'm going to say it
But
anyway.
it's not,
It's okay. I really don't care. So anyway, so we were wearing these clothes and what happens is very often these fabrics have a certain smell and then you sweat in the photo shoot and then you add to that. And so anyway, it was a case of BO. And
it was not a BO thing. It was your fabric. And I asked other people as well. The fabric was actually...
It was like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, but chalo, whatever it was, I had a little issue and I didn't recognize it. But you did. And then you pulled me aside and said, hey, listen, I got some testers from this mall I was at. Why don't you try them? They're really nice. And I was like, what rubbish. Why would I try your testers? He's like, no, you try. No, you just try. You try. And I realized, koi agar aapko... And I've learned this in life. If someone's offering you, breath fresheners or perfume, and if they're insisting you try it, then you should just take it.
And I was not because I had an issue.
Yeah.
मुझे लग
I
रहा
was
था
to
कि किसी
save
और को
me from embarrassment.
that's
I
what
really
my
appreciate
thing
that
was.
about you. I really appreciate the nice things about you. And there are many of those.
मेरा वो रहता है ना कि और इसका भी ये रहता है कि हम एक दूसरे के बारे में कोई कुछ भी बोल दे कोई और तो नहीं बोलने किसी और को तो नहीं बोलने देंगे right? It's that family situation.
Absolutely. There has been a lot of interest in the last few years on social media. Like I feel like you'll agree on this as well. Your social media has grown over so many years, but then in the last few years, it's really grown nicely. What you're doing is working really well. You've got to tell us what is it that you've changed.
And it's a conscious effort. पहले मैं ना अपने social media को बहुत artistically treat करता था. मुझे लगता था कि यार मैं जो रेडियो पे कर रहा हूँ ना वो तो मैं रेडियो पे कर ही रहा हूँ. हम लोग रेडियो पे भी जो बातें करते हैं जो बखेतियाँ करते हैं वही सोशल मीडिया पे भी हो रहा है.
Same.
Right, exactly the same. So I do that for 6 hours in my life. I want to take a break and do artistic stuff on my social media. If you see my previous videos now, I used to carry a drone. I still do. I don't put them up anymore. I never used to do trending things. I used to do my own किसी destination पे एक video डाला मेरे को satisfaction मिलता था वो. But that was not working. Then you, again, I'm not even joking. One day we sat down. I was like, यार मैं Karish इतने सारे ideas देता हूँ. ये हो नहीं रहा है city पे. या ये idea यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है. Then you sat down. It's like तू परेशान क्यों हो रहा है? तू अपने personal पे कर. That flipped a switch in my head. So what started happening, Karish, was कि मेरे पास तेरे को पता है मेरे को constantly I think या तो ADHD है या ideas मुझे देना बहुत पसंद है. मेरे को बहुत ideas देने होते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. अच्छा ये करते हैं, अच्छा वो करते हैं, वो करते हैं. So city पे क्योंकि of course every show has one post a day. वो सारी जो trending ideas हैं I used to segregate कि अच्छा ये trending ये funny ideas हैं ये city पे करेंगे. जो creative stuff है because you have to differentiate, right? एक time था where the lines were blurring, right? It was a point where अच्छा ये city पे जाना चाहिए, ये personal पे जाना चाहिए. So I was like, okay, I'll keep the travel stuff only on my personal, but I'll take these, high definition Canon lens से या Sony lens से shot या drone shot on my personal, and all the funny stuff I'll do on city. I changed that. I still have a line difference कि अच्छा ये trend city पे जाना चाहिए because हमारी city की audience ऐसी है, and ये trend मेरे personal पे जा सकता है. So now I've just started putting my personality, and this is another conversation that my wife also told me. Post more about your personality. So then I changed, then I introduced sneakers just from travel, right? Lifestyle. Then I introduced my funny angle, my funny side. Because and I realized this, कि अगर आप city सुन रहे हो तो आप मुझे एक तरह से जानते हो. If you visited my profile, there's nothing funny on my profile. And I'm a naturally funny guy, I feel, right?
Yeah, you are.
So there was nothing on my social. It was only travel. And artistic travel. कोई पुराने, slow गानों के ऊपर में या.
It was all nice, but I love seeing your personality. And I think, definitely that's contributed to people, coming all the more for you. People come for you, and they stay for you.
I realized that very late, and you made me realize it. And Toshita, of course.
I mean, I think it's great that wherever you heard it from, the fact is that you put it to use and then you've really run with it. So that spike in your growth, I think of late has been really good to see.
Man. And I used to do my personality in stories.
Yeah.
But that only lasted for like 24 hours. I realized that very late. So I've done some crazy, amazing, trending stuff. अगर मैं reel डालता तो बहुत viral होती. But I started doing it now.
Yeah. So listen, you've seen ups and downs, highs and lows in life and on the weighing scale and everywhere. I feel like I still look at some of our old photos.
Bro, can I show you our...
Yeah.
I just... Later, I'll show you.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know who I'm standing next to sometimes, you know, but that was also Pari only, you know, and I've also had my post-pregnancy photos and I don't know who that person is, you know, but I'm still me. And I have seen people change the way they look at you when you've put on weight, change the way they look at you when you've lost weight. Have you been through that cycle here?
Not really.
No.
I'll be honest. And this is
different for guys or...
It's different for guys, Kailash.
Yeah.
And also it's different for presenters and public personalities. Because ये बात जरूर है कि मैं ज़्यादा events अब कर रहा हूँ.
Why do you think that is?
I don't
You
really
think
know.
the way you look is not a factor that contributes?
100% it is.
Yeah.
But I've been on stage when I was big for A.R. Rahman also.
But that was a city event?
Yes,
Or was,
city
no,
event.
I'm talking about your personal gig count now. The events that you get approached for now versus 2 years ago.
I've never thought...
Yeah.
This
Sorry,
way.
I'm going to plant that seed in your
absolutely
head
do.
if you've
I'm
never
now
thought
first
about
time,
it.
I'm actually first time thinking about it. Yes, definitely I'm doing more events. But I thought because the market is more open now.
Yeah, but well, you've been around for so long, no?
Yeah. Oh my God, I've never thought like this.
Yeah.
But yes, I was doing event. And what happened was I've lost weight so many times.
How much weight have you lost?
I've lost 25, 28 kilos.
This time 25, 28?
Yeah, but I'm still 85 right now. My lowest is 78.
Yeah.
When I joined City, that was another time I lost 35 kilos.
Wow.
So, and then one more time I lost weight. And then after my wedding, COVID के time पे I gained the maximum amount of weight. भाई मैं और मेरी बीवी क्या करते थे मालूम है? सुबह का शो था. And you know सुबह के शो में like 90% of the times you're feeling sleepy.
Yeah.
मैं घर पे आता था.
Yeah.
COVID के टाइम पे शो के बाद सीधा खाना खाता था. ऑर्डर करते थे हम लोग बाहर से. यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. यहाँ पे खाना रखा है. टीवी देखते देखते दोपहर की नींद निकाली है. उठे हैं मैं और मेरी बीवी. खाना मंगाया है. टीवी सीरीज ऑन किया है. वहीं पे खाना खाया है. और वहीं पे रख के वापस सो गए हैं. How do I show a picture to you? I'm not even joking. Hold on. This was me.
Oh gosh.
Imagine. Can you see this? So, and the thing is, I know, and I'm playing cricket here, right? This is a cricket field.
Yeah.
I'm a sports person.
Have you loaded something in your pockets or you are actually, that's your thighs only?
मेरी thunder thighs. Thighs आज भी बहुत भारी मेरी. I'm still 85, but I know I can. And इस टाइम पे मैं dive मारता था भाई. 6 feet dive मारता था मैं 125 किलो में. And then touchwood never got hurt or something. But my thing was, I'm a sports person. मेरे को मेरी दिमाग में मैं अपने आप को बहुत हल्का मानता था.
Yeah, I'm sure that must have done some damage.
100% back, knees, 100%.
Oh gosh.
But I knew always that I lose weight. I can lose weight because I've done this for the 4th time I've done this. 4th time.
Why do you end up with this kind of a...
Bread.
Yeah?
Yeah. My problem is like, Abhi, it's been a month I've not been to the gym. I've gained 6 kilos. 6 kilos.
No way.
6 kilos. So I made this tattoo a month ago.
हाँ.
1 महीना होता है 2 महीने. 2 महीने होते हैं 6 महीने. 6 महीने होता है 1 साल. And it takes me 1 year to gain all the weight back and lose all the weight back as well. I can lose weight easily. I'm proud of that. But I gain weight also very easily. Very easily.
This is your latest tattoo?
Yeah.
Has it been on any podcast yet?
No.
Okay. Then please introduce the world to this tattoo.
यार मेरे tattoos का बस meanings ही है मेरी जिंदगी में.
हाँ.
Because I read this somewhere के the only thing you take with you. Yeah, this is again something very close to my heart. I'm not like told this to anyone apart from anyone, definitely on podcasts. One, there are 2 different wings. One wing is my dad's. One wing is my mom's.
Yeah, you can tell. You can tell that it's quite different. Yeah.
This is, of course, an angel sign. These feathers are their souls. And this is something I might get emotional while telling you. The backpack is representing my travel. They're looking after me. These are my guardian angels.
Yeah.
The things in the backpack.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what are the things?
So I can see some kind of an envelope in a pocket.
Correct. That's a letter my mom left me with.
No. She wrote you a letter and then
passing.
before it happened?
Yeah. I don't know how she knew. Anywho, that
Yeah.
broke me half of the time. Anyway, और phone जो था वो मेरी माँ का मुझे बहुत याद दिलाता है because again, my maximum conversations were on voice notes.
Yes, I remember this.
And after she passed away, I still left her voice notes. I still do.
Yeah.
On that number.
Yeah.
Anywho, और क्या दिख रहा है देखो?
There's something with the letter W. Is that a map or something?
No, that's is tattoo है वो.
Acha.
There's one more thing. There's a map right here.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's a map. That's my
Okay.
dad's road trips with me.
Right. Okay. What is that? What is that behind the envelope? What is that?
Where? This one. This is just a flap of the
Okay.
backpack.
What else is in the bag?
That's it. Three things.
Three things.
A phone, an envelope,
And what am I missing?
and the map. That's it.
The map. All right.
That's
Okay.
it. That's it. Three things.
I love it. I love the backpack. It's been done so beautifully.
Yeah, man. This tattoo artist is really good. I wanted to work with him from a very long time. Sadio.
Yeah.
And we sat down.
Yeah.
I couldn't. So, for the longest time, I couldn't. I wanted a tattoo that is dedicated to mom and dad, but I couldn't come up with anything. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूँ. मैं 3-4 टैटू आर्टिस्ट के पास गया, इंटरनेशनली ट्रैवल करते करते गया. एंड मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टैटू आर्टिस्ट क्या करते हैं, दे विल सिट डाउन विद यू अ डे बिफोर, दे विल गो टू पिंटरेस्ट. क्या चाहिए तेरे को? अच्छा देखो तेरे बच्चों का कुछ चाहिए, तो दे विल गो टू पिंटरेस्ट, दे विल डाउनलोड द इमेज फ्रॉम पिंटरेस्ट, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ टैटू. मेरे को वो नहीं चाहिए था. आई वांटेड दिस इज हैंड ड्रॉन टैटू, फ्री हैंड.
Yeah.
There is no
fully original.
Fully original.
As always.
And so is this.
Not taking the easiest path
Nice.
to anything, as always.
Yes.
Pari, let's go back to mum. Let's go back to you as a young boy in Jodhpur. What are the things that you think have fully made you who you are? Things that will never change about you, no matter how old you get, what else you do in life, how much money you make, what's never going to change about you because of where you come from and how mom raised you and mommy and...
I'll be very honest with you. It was more of me parenting them, genuinely, than them, looking after me. And now I'm kind of like, कि यार मेरी जिंदगी में मुझे बचपन नहीं देखने को मिला कभी यार. It was always मुझे ध्यान रखना है. It was from the childhood. I was always worried about people, worried about family, worried about mom का ध्यान रखना है, because that left a big trauma on me. I was like, okay, कुछ तो करना है लाइफ में यार, कुछ तो करना है. And then whatever happened was, मेरे बचपन में जो मुझे नहीं मिल पा रहा था, आज अगर स्नीकर्स में कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को बचपन में एक जूतों की स्टोरी है. वो उस वजह से है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन माई डैड पास्ड अवे, 2 साल तक मेरे पास जूते नहीं थे पहनने के लिए, तो मैं फटे हुए जूते पहन के जाता था स्कूल. तो एक दिन मेरी प्रिंसिपल थी वहाँ पे, अमिता तिवारी मैम. शी कॉल्ड अप टू माई एट माई प्लेस. मम्मी को उसने बुलाया. मम्मी को कहा कि आप मैडम क्या कर रही हैं आप, यू हैव टू वेक अप. बिकॉज मम्मी को भी कोई होश नहीं था 2 साल तक, राइट. एवरीथिंग वॉज गॉन ओवरनाइट. आपके बच्चे की हालत देखिए, ही इज अ ब्राइट स्टूडेंट नाउ, ही इज ऑल्सो getting off the rails.
You were a bright student?
I was a very bright student. I was, Mera, not only study-wise, but also sports-wise, I was really, I was the school champion and all. Till 4th, 5th standard. उसके बाद में जो मैं off beat गया हूँ, उसके बाद तो मैं गुंडागर्दी, मारा-मारी, because I started getting into really wrong habits. I started drinking. I started... Everything that you can imagine a 5th to 6th standard boy doing. I mean, you can't imagine a 5th to 6th standard boy doing. I was doing it. And then, anywho, coming back to the shoe story, 2 साल तक कभी जूते नहीं थे पहनने के लिए, फटे हुए जूते पहन के जा रहा था. Then my mom okay, नहीं, इसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. She bought me shoes. उस रात को मैं जूतों को गर्दन के नीचे जहाँ तक क्या होता वहाँ रख के सोया था. You know, stuff like this. Travel मुझे इतना शौक है because my dad, before he passed away, he promised me, saying, देखो मैं स्विट्जरलैंड लेके जाऊंगा. बैग्स पैक थे हमारे. नहीं, ट्रैवल तो मैं करूंगा डैड, अब चिंता मत करो. सो एवरीथिंग आई डू राइट नाउ इज सारी बचपन के बदले ले रहा हूं मैं.
You said that you've always been there, the one that's been taking care of the people around you from a young age, and then Is that something that puts you off? Like, so when you become a dad, you're going to have to take care of a child also. Is that something that you don't want in your life?
No, because now and I genuinely will tell you, I'm very lucky to have a wife like Toshda. You know, she's healing me at so many places. She's wonderful. Because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा people's person था यार, Karish. मैं अभी भी एक level पे हूँ जहाँ पे मुझसे ना नहीं बोला जाता. You know, if somebody says something, I'll do it. Even if I don't want to do it, I'll do it.
Like this podcast, I'll slap your face.
No. I want to be here, but in a different way. मुझसे ना नहीं बोला जाता. There've been times जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ किया है, उसके बाद में एक और invite मैंने accept किया. I used to double book, triple book myself, and I used to die. मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ यार, लेकिन मुझे जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैंने इनको promise कर दिया है. And now she's like, it's okay. You don't have to do it. So I'm getting in that zone where I have started saying no a little, but I'm still suffering, and that's where all of it comes from. I want to take care of people, but the only people that matter to me now, not everyone. पहले मैं हर किसी के लिए कुछ भी करता था.
So having Toshita as a wife is definitely, like you said, it's gotten you to a much better place, more sorted, you know, making the decisions that actually matter versus saying yes to everything, you know. That's fantastic. What is something that you have brought into her life?
Fun. She always tells me that uski zindagi is less adventurous.
Yeah.
She's more into like straight. Like मेरे को कितनी बार होता है कि मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना तो मैं उसके ऊपर नाम डाल देता हूँ. And I bring a lot of let's do this, let's new experiences. Like I always want to try. I get bored very easily, so I really want to try new things every weekend or every day. She does it to an extent, but then she says no to me also. But I know this for a fact कि जो मैं उसके साथ चीज़ें करता हूँ like fun, watching movies, going out, she would not do it herself. She's only chill at home, बिस्तर में बैठ के Netflix देखना. I'm a more outgoing, literally in that sense, person.
Yeah.
And she wants to do these things with me.
How did you see relationships until you met Toshita?
Oh, I was a psychomagnet.
Oh gosh.
If my exes are watching this.
Yeah, I can't believe you just said that.
मेरे को पता नहीं. अच्छा, I've not had many girlfriends.
हाँ.
I've only had 3 girlfriends in my life.
Don't bring up the mucho wali.
Mucho. I've had many partners, but not many girlfriends. Like, girlfriend is very serious for me. Right? My first was, of course, school ki, which was 12 साल. मुझे आती थी उसकी बढ़िया. Same. School में मेरा BR Birla Public School में for the longest time I proposed to her in 5th standard Karish.
Look who's here. Wait.
Come here. Sit here.
Okay, let's roll.
Opa! हाँ जी, spelling test.
Okay, so Isaiah, Izzy and Amelia have just come back from school and Isaiah's got a 10 on 10 on his spelling test. Isaiah, let's play a game where you're going to ask Parikshit for some spellings. Are you ready, Aizu? Okay, go for it.
Extreme.
ये तो easy है. EXTREME. Oh my God, yes! Next one.
Super extreme.
It is SUPRE XTREME.
That
Super extreme.
sounds a bit mixed up. I know what word to give him.
हाँ.
Can you spell Isaiah?
अरे नहीं.
Can you spell?
Easy.
Come on. Let him spell it.
I can't.
Try it.
एक तो इसके बच्चों का नाम इतना डिफिकल्ट है ना. आइजू अच्छा तो है.
Zaya.
Try
it.
IZZAEYA. What does it tell me?
ISAIAH.
See?
तो Isaiah क्यों बोलते हैं तेरे को? Why do you think Isaiah? Okay, all the best. Go now. Go. हाँ तो हम कहाँ थे?
Gosh, I remember when they were so little, you guys had come home, Toshita and you, and Melia was trying to show you all some gymnastics and she landed from the sofa straight on her head on the floor.
That is me.
Gosh.
As a child, even as an adult. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा उसी से relate करता हूँ भाई. Amelia से.
Yeah.
Also, तेरे बच्चों ने भी मुझे बहुत सिखाया भाई. LOL doll.
Oh yeah.
For the very first time तेरे बच्चों ने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया LOL doll से.
No way.
I'm not. अब मैं उसके बाद हर बच्चे की बर्थडे पे LOL doll लेके जा रहा था. I was the favorite uncle for every birthday party.
Oh gosh, yeah. You know, I feel like there's so much.
We shared a lot.
Yeah, we have, haven't we?
We shared a lot.
Yeah. Gosh, sometimes I realize that we don't take stock of the good things. Like Chandran will always tell me, we'll forget the good things and we'll always remember the bad stuff. And it's so important to remember the good stuff, and I feel like if there's one thing that this show that we hope to do is to just, like that this is all the good stuff that you can associate Pari with. And I feel like there's so much of it that I relate to as well. I love that. When you go back home, Pari, when you've lived, how long have you lived here in the UAE?
2010 I moved here.
So 14 years now. When you go back home, are you the Dubai return? How do you keep yourself like authentically?
मेरा वही है ना कि जो जिससे मैं मिलता हूँ, तो मैं उससे वैसे, and this is a thing, I feel it's an art for me. You call it imposter syndrome, I don't care, but for me, I talk to a taxi guy, my accent will change. I mispronounce words on purpose to make sure the other person
feels comfortable. Yeah.
Even on radio, if you see, kitne baari mein, I can sound intelligent when I want to, I can sound dumb when I want to, and I can sound a normal person when I want to, like a normal person when I want to.
Yeah, I think you're far from normal or average or regular. I mean, but and it has a lot to do with how you conduct yourself. I think also with celebrities, right? So you're able to meet them where they're at.
That's what I was looking for. That's the word.
When you go to meet Diljit Dosanjh, you'll wear Balenciaga, so you can relate with him on that. I love that. And tell me some of your crazy celeb stories, the stuff that doesn't get photographed and put on social media, the stuff that is only in your head.
Yeah, I've had, and for that I call her Api, Sania. I'll give all of that credit to her. She's a legend, bro. She's taught me a lot. अब मेरा कैसा ना सीखने को जहाँ कुछ भी मिल जाए क्या problem है? I just notice her, I observe her, I see how she conducts herself. It's a lot from that. And then eventually I realized कि यार यहाँ पे इस तरह से अगर ऐसे करेंगे, for example, if I'm meeting Diljit, right? Or if we did Shahrukh, and when he called us in that room, either we could have fangirled or fanboyed.
Yeah.
Or we could have been professional.
Yeah.
And that's very important.
Yeah.
And it's simply that story only कि जहाँ पे आप हो, वहाँ पे जैसा है उसके साथ वैसे रहो.
Nice. Yeah.
And also comes from Fiona, right?
Absolutely.
कि सर नहीं बोलना किसी को.
Yeah. सब एक level पे है. Yeah. Absolutely.
Correct.
Tell me about your worst event stories. We all have those.
Oh.
Yeah.
एक तो I think तेरे मेरे साथ ही थी कॉन्सर्ट में, पंजाबी कॉन्सर्ट हमने जो किया था. बोले ले Mika, Daler Paji. Mika and Daler Paji were amazing.
Yes.
They were amazing.
Yes.
But हम स्टेज पे थे, उन्होंने हमारे माइक लाइट सब बंद कर दिए यार. They thought actually लाइट चली गई थी ना वहाँ पे.
लाइट भी चली गई थी थोड़ी देर में. कुछ वो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स जो थे वो फर्स्ट टाइम ऑर्गेनाइजर्स थे and they were big fans of Mika and Daler
Paji,
and they decided to take over the event and at one point it was Mika, Daler and 18 organizer and उनके 18 to 20 family members
स्टेज पे फोटो चल रही है.
singing all together. Like it was really random.
And
that
then
one.
there was a time when I was interviewing New York के टाइम पे Katrina Kaif को in Delhi.
Nice.
New York के टाइम पे.
Nice.
अब उस समय Katrina Kaif had a lot of attitude and so did like Shahid Kapoor and all. उस टाइम पे एक zone में हुआ करते, right? This was before social media was a thing, right? This was when a lot of mystery was there around stars. तो Katrina Kaif काफी वैसे ही मीडिया के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हुए she was a bit cold is the word. अब हुआ ये कि मैं उससे बात कर रहा हूँ और भीड़ बहुत ज्यादा है दिल्ली के अंदर. मेरा माइक है कटरीना कैफ के होठों के पास में, पीछे से है दिल्ली वाली भीड़. एक मीडिया जहाँ पे आपको मालूम है अगर किसी को कोई फोटो चाहिए होता है, हटिए ये करिए वो करिए, वैसा चल रहा है. I'm talking to Katrina. I'm like, hey, New York looks amazing. Tell us your chemistry with John. The music is fantastic. A media person comes, hits my elbow जोर से, वो माइक लगता है कैटरीना कैफ के होठों पे. And I'm like, I'm so sorry. And in middle of the conversation, Karish, she leaves. उसका हाथ यहाँ पे होता है and I'm just hoping कि अगर उसको खून आ गया, होठ फट गया उसका, तो मुझे यहाँ से मार के निकालेंगे. मैं वैसे ही She left the entire press conference.
No way.
Not the room. वो वापस आई नहीं. तो मीडिया वाले मुझे गंदी नजर से देख रहे हैं. मैं कहा मेरी क्या गलती. sorry beep.
thanks, love. You're the best.
यार भाई बहुत बढ़िया.
Right?
ASMR कर सकते क्या podcast पे?
हाँ करेंगे ना. Guess where these are from?
Haldiram's.
No, but I love Haldiram's. Guess where these are from?
They're not homemade for sure.
No.
Don't tell me Jodhpur.
No, yeah. This we have tried. We've tried all the brands. This is My Govinda's. This is the
Oh,
latest
wow.
one we're trying. It's quite nice, no?
Very tasty.
My
You should get-
Govinda's
you
should
should get-
sponsor us.
No, you should get her on the show as well.
Who?
Manisha. She's a friend of mine.
Yeah?
The one who is behind. Papa owns My Govinda's. Manisha. Season 3. See you.
Yeah.
ये पहली पॉडकास्ट है जहाँ पे लोगों ने चाय खाना दिया है.
Listen, baby, why don't you come for a minute?
Come baby.
Come. We're now joined by Chandran, unwilling participant on the podcast. But he's so sweet. He's got chai and makhanas and all for Pari and me. How can I just let you leave then? Thank you.
This is the only podcast जहाँ पे लोग खाना ऑफर करते हैं भाई. चाय ऑफर करते हैं, मखाने इतने टेस्टी ऑफर करते हैं. और मैं चाय की स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूँ. अरे
That's why.
थैंक यू. फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैड चाय एट कारिश के घर पे. और टेल यू, जब से तुम इनकी जिंदगी में आए हो चंद्रन जीजू, ये चाय की क्वालिटी इतनी इंप्रूव हो गई है. फर्स्ट टाइम शी, यू नो व्हाट शी डिड? शी गेव मी अ टेट्रा पैक इन हर हाउस एंड गेव मी चाय की पत्ती एंड शुगर के, अब बना ले चाय.
We had 20 guests in the living room. He wants me to tend to him privately. I'm like, go help yourself, you know. And even today, this is Tetra Pak only, by the way. I'm pretty
टेट्रा
sure.
पैक की चाय नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता ये.
Doodh.
हाँ,
Doodh is Tetra Pak, yes.
Dude,
तो लड़के के हाथ में जादू है भाई.
ये बंदे को देख के रंग बदलता है. I'm telling you, he only worries me.
ये टेट्रा पैक की चाय है, बट टेस्टी है.
You know, the way you say Tetra Pak also sounds scary. To me.
टेट्रा.
Okay, so, Pari, you have traveled the world and we have all seen your drone shots. And I love how they just go zooming out and out and out and out and out and paint this beautiful, you know, aerial
Yes.
picture of wherever you're at. You and Toshita particularly, they're very cute shots, all right? So I was like, okay, I wanted to quiz you or do something fun with you.
Huh.
But I was like, yaar, isko kya, I'm not going to ask you flags and capitals.
Huh,
And,
okay.
You know, this is
Yeah.
his favorite pastime
Oh
is to
my
quiz
God.
people on their geography. Because he has been to more than 100 countries. So all he loves to do is quiz other people who
On
have...
flags.
and most people have traveled less than 20 countries, you know. Because anytime you get holiday, you go back home. You know?
Correct.
He does not take that into consideration, maybe. So today, I will show you less consideration as well.
ठीक है, done.
And what we have for you is a game.
Okay.
Where imagine that drone just keeps going away,
Okay.
away, about 35, 40,000 feet.
Okay.
What we have,
Now you have to guess the city from 30,000.
Oh my God, from the airplane.
yes,
लग गए. Love.
This will be very easy for
हाँ.
you.
नहीं, हो ही नहीं
This is
सकता.
fairly
Chance ही
easy.
नहीं
So
है.
here, check. This is first.
This is Dubai.
image.
Wait.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Oh wow. New York. Is it? It's New York, I'm guessing.
Close,
What is it? Jersey?
but
No.
very far away.
What is it?
It is in Asia. Here's a hint. for you.
Asia.
Asia. Come on. What looks like New York but in Asia?
Global village.
Is this Singapore or
Now
Kuala
you're
Lumpur?
getting a little warmer.
Come on,
Wait,
come on,
let me
Pari.
see. Let me see. Hold on.
Look
It's
at the
Little further
landmarks.
up the South China Sea.
Oh my God, this is very interesting. I'm looking for one thing that I recognize, maybe in Hong Kong or
Ah, yes.
I'm looking for, is
You
it
got
Hong
it,
Kong?
Hong Kong,
Because
yes.
I saw Macau here.
That's it.
Huh? Okay,
Perfect.
fair enough.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go because there's a huge,
All right.
you have to take a ferry to Macau. Okay, अच्छा, critical thinking लानी पड़ेगी क्या इसमें?
yeah,
Lao,
yeah.
lao. I'm now warmed up.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is so interesting. This is a game we should play on radio.
This is going to be a tough one.
हाँ, lao.
Tough one, yeah.
Give him the let's give him the
Wow.
continent. No?
Okay. This is in Europe.
Can I be honest? This area looks very planned. It looks like Spain. But Europe may, I have to figure out. Mediterranean, definitely.
Yes.
Okay. What is planned Mediterranean? This is definitely Mediterranean side, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You got that right.
I can see mountains, which is either Santorini or Greece, matlab. Oh, that's very interesting. Greece?
Greece is correct.
Fantastic,
मैं
buddy.
critical thinking ला रहा हूँ. मैं इतना घबराया नहीं, मैं किसी
Good
game में नहीं
going,
घबराया हूँ
good
मैं.
going, come
किसी
on.
game में नहीं घबराया हूँ मैं. So now I'm using my critical thinking. Lao, you give me the continent, please. हाँ.
All right, here. This is should be maybe actually it's harder than.
It's very hard. Sorry. I just clicked on some private pictures. Okay, what is this? ये नाइट में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. इसमें तो कैसे आएगा? Give me a.
Let me show you. This is the clue for you over here. This little wiggly line.
Give me a continent at least. Give me
This is also
something.
in Europe.
मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. Give me more hints.
What hint can I give you? I already gave you the biggest hint. There's a very famous river that is winding through the city.
Is it London?
Yes. That was too easy. Come on. Like this kind of clues I can't give you.
But you know, the reason we wanted to play this game, do we have more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why can we please play?
More?
But डालो मेरे को खेलने में मजा आ रहा है.
Okay.
This
okay.
one you might recognize.
This is what? Hold on. This is the solar park in Dubai,
Yes, correct.
right?
Yeah,
In Kudra.
absolutely. Yes.
Right. Nice. Hey, this
okay.
is such a cool game and great pictures. Wait. Is this okay? It looks very Asia to me, but also
Not Asia.
Okay, ठीक है.
Not Asia.
US. Give me the continent, at least.
Southern Hemisphere.
Ooh. Now I'm also thinking, where does 777 fly? How far is the range?
Wow.
Hold on. Because you definitely can't do South America on
course we can
777.
do
You
South
can?
America.
On 777?
Yeah.
South America.
South America, I know, but I'm just trying to figure out then. What is this? Brazil.
Yes.
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
now because
That's
I'm
it.
also thinking, where does Emirates fly in South America?
Yeah.
It is Sao Paulo. No, this is
the other
one.
Brazilian
I
destination.
correct.
Mountains. So it
Correct.
was Rio.
Rio,
Okay,
correct.
Last
That's where
one.
Emirates flies.
Yeah.
Last one. This
Yeah.
is a very interesting one.
Yeah, very, very
Check this out.
cool photo, this one.
This could be anywhere actually. So this is like the toughest one.
There are a lot of grass patches here. Is this grass though?
Yeah, I mean it's farms.
Circular
Seen
farms.
from 36,000 feet. So yeah, they look like grass patches.
Yeah, this is a great lesson, by the way, in contemporary affairs of the world.
What?
When you figure out what country that is
Saudi.
and what's happening.
Yes. This is the deserts of Saudi, full of farm.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
So much farming happening there in
That's
the deserts.
crazy. You know why I
Amazing.
guessed? Because you said desert, and then I was like, what is happening? Saudi.
Yeah.
Saudi.
Yeah. Fantastic. So, you know,
Not bad.
the reason I actually wanted us to play this game today with Parikshit is because one of the things that he does often is that he's got a lot of apps on his phone that are all about critical thinking. Yeah. So he's constantly challenging himself when he's free to know more, to learn more.
And this is not on social media. Only you know this. I love you for this. I love you for this.
So give us your top apps today for anyone who wants to, get their brain, give it a little cardio, get their brain going.
He used to be a lot of apps, yeah. Quizwali. Now I have deleted all of them because now I'm bored and I only play this when I'm traveling, right? क्योंकि मेरे को 14 घंटे की flight में बहुत अच्छा लगता है सिर्फ यही सब चीजें करना. I'll show it to you now. I love. There's an app that you should have. Remember that word game we played?
Yeah.
It's called Figure It.
Yeah, Figure It.
I love Figure It. I have all the other Exploding Kittens is one of them, which is just a random brainless
I played
game.
that one.
I love Exploding Kittens. Exploding Kittens is so good. There used to be a game, Flags of All Countries of the World. There is E-Taboo, Whirlybird. Now, a game hua karta tha, which I don't remember the name of. It is just about that critical thinking that I used to play on Flight City 1016 a lot with our listeners.
Really?
Yeah. I'll remember the name and I'll tell you.
Yeah. All right.
Very interesting.
You do that. And
I'm going to leave.
How did I do in this game?
You won. That's it.
really well. Yeah, you did really well. In fact, you did really well on the show as well. I think this has been just nice. It's just been nice to hang out with you.
I want to talk more to you. I'll keep talking.
Yeah?
Okay, you guys do
Okay.
it. All right. Bye-bye.
I want to talk to you now.
About
बहुत
what?
हो गई मेरी बातें.
Okay. What's
You,
up?
I feel, have been in the best zone in a long, long time. I'm loving that. What is the change that you brought?
Gosh, I think I have decided to tune out the noise. You know, I've decided to tune out the negativity, the condemnation, lack of appreciation, everything that is done with the intent to cause harm or damage. You know, I have just taken a step away so that it doesn't reach me anymore. And I'm just doing my own thing, Pari.
Which is good.
Yeah, I'm
Best.
just doing my own thing now. You know, like I really believe in this. I believe in talking
Yeah.
to people and listening to people.
Yeah.
You know, I believe that you have an interesting story and
Yeah.
so does this other person that I haven't even met yet. You know, people are really full of incredible stories of hope, of life, of, of challenges and everything that makes, I feel like, me happy is it revolves around this one-on-one,
Yeah.
especially.
Yeah.
Big groups and big parties and
right.
all has never been my scene.
Sure.
But this has one-on-one. Let's just talk about you. You know, I love this. And I really am so happy that Chandran believes
Yeah.
in this and
Yeah.
that we're able to do this together.
You know, it's a great platform. This is the future. And my thing is, this is making you really happy.
Yeah.
And you should do this more. I'm so glad you're doing this.
Thank you.
अभी क्या हो रहा है ना Garish कि 90% of the people are losing the art of having a conversation. And that's why people are loving just looking at people having a conversation. And since the beginning, you have had great conversations. This is your thing. I feel this is strongly your thing.
Yeah, please.
ASMR करूँगा थोड़ा.
Kar le.
So tell me more.
What do you want to know?
What do you expect? See, this is the season 2
Yeah.
and finale.
Yeah.
You know, this is only growing.
Yeah.
This podcast.
I really hope.
It is. There's
Pari.
no hope. अच्छा हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि हमारे साथ ना बचपन से ट्रॉमा का ये प्रॉब्लम है कि जब भी कुछ अच्छा हो रहा था हमें लगता है बस होता जाए. You're absolutely putting in hours on this.
Yeah.
तू मेहनत कर रही है. This only way is up,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So what is your plan for season 3? Tell your viewers, tell your subscribers.
You know, so the honest truth is for season 3, I'm hoping that before I get too big or, you know, before it becomes anything else, I want to finish, you know, shooting and I want to keep season 3 ready. And the plan is to do a season dedicated entirely to people who have gone from, you know, from the bottom up. And it's going to be something that we haven't touched in season 1 or season 2.
Nice.
You know,
Nice.
it's a whole other kind of people that we get to see their stories just like ours and we get to relate with them and know that, acha, they're also going through stuff that I'm going through, you know. So I'm hoping, look, Pari, this is all right now in my head.
It will.
You know.
It will.
And I'm hoping
will.
to do this very, very special season before having the baby and making sure that we put it out there with a bang. And, you know, honestly speaking, Chandran and I were putting in, you know, our hard-earned money into
Yeah.
shooting these
Yeah.
episodes and all of that. And, you know, it'd be so nice for that breakthrough with sponsorships to come in.
Yeah.
Like, you know, to
Yeah.
just have a sponsor come on board.
absolutely.
Someone
Why
who
not?
actually believes in
Yeah.
this. You know,
Yeah.
not just someone who's going to come on board so we
Correct.
can plaster their name everywhere and then say their name 15
Correct.
times and then
Correct.
there's no heart in it and they
Correct.
don't care about what
And
we
you
do.
deserve. Now
You know?
it's time now.
It's time for, I feel like, for this to have a backing, you know, just genuine conversations to have a backing. If it doesn't happen now, then when? You know?
True that.
So I'm really hoping that comes through. Until then, we'll keep it running. But yeah.
No, but you deserve. And जो तू बोल रही है ना कि you believe in it.
Yeah.
People are now also believing in it. There are a lot of these people that I've seen talking about your podcasts, by the way.
Really?
100%. I
Wow.
get messages.
No way.
I do get messages.
Wow.
Of course, you know, people are invested in this.
Yeah.
Season 3 is only upwards, only onwards. And I've always believed in visualization.
Yeah.
Right? अभी थोड़ा बहुत मैं सीख रहा हूँ. Manifestation, visualization.
Mood board, vision board.
तो मैं उसमें अब घुस चुका हूँ. That's my zone right now. So I just wish you all the best.
Thank you.
हाँ?
Thank you.
Just all the best.
Thank you.
अब लड़का है कि लड़की है podcast पे बताना तू. Have a podcast.
Yeah.
The best gender reveal ever. You know, both of you are so, you don't like big parties. Just do it here.
Yeah.
Do it here.
Yeah, that's a
Do it
great
here.
idea. But should we hire him, love? Huh? Should we hire him?
And guys, get the doctor.
Get the doc. She's
that
amazing,
podcast.
by the way. Our doc, she's really, really lovely.
Sorry, I'm eating while talking, but get the doctor. Get the doctor.
Yeah.
Do a podcast with her and talk about other issues as well.
Yeah, definitely. There's a lot to talk
And do a
about.
gender reveal on the very podcast. This is going to be your baby. Oh my God. Can I be on that episode to produce it?
Aw.
Just be there. Just for
Okay.
you.
All right, okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Season 3, I'm also associating with this podcast just as a producer, nothing else. I love to give more ideas.
I know you do. You're brilliant. I think you're yet an untapped potential. There's so much there inside your brain. But, I wish you much love, much success. I'm so glad that the important people in your life, the important relationships are sorted, and you're just focusing on growing now. And that's where everyone wants to be in life, really. So you're in a good place. I know you miss mom, and I know those things are impossible to, fix or anything. That's just part of your life now for the rest of your life. That's how it is. But you're so beautiful inside and out, and your story is so powerful. I really hope that today, everyone watching this is going to walk away feeling like they got to know you a little bit more, and they're just going to shower you with more love because you
love
deserve
you.
it.
It's been a while since I said that.
Oh, I love you
I
too.
love you.
I love you, my darling. And that was our season finale episode. I was not sure where all we would go. And as unpredictable as it could be, we've gone everywhere and come back. This has been fantastic. Parikshit and I'm Karishma. And this is Hey Karish. See you on the next season.
Hi, my name is Parikshit. एक बात बोलूं, Karish and I do a show every day together. ये मुझे आज तक का सबसे अच्छा show लगा. And this is Hey Karish, season 2, finale episode. That amazing woman is going to see you in season 3 with a bigger plan, bigger guests, and something that has never happened before. Stick around.